Hello everyone, my name is Arenga. Let me use this medium to welcome you to Badagry officially. We are now in Badagry. I thank God for joining Mercy. I'll bring to your screen all interesting places that you can visit here in Badagry before stepping on to Republic of Benin. Yes, today's video is proudly sponsored by Haraka Beach and Holiday Resort. Haraka Beach and Holiday Resort is the best place for you to have the greatest fun that you can ever imagine in Badagry. If you come to Badagry and you do not visit Haraka, you have not been to Badagry, because this is the best place for you to be. So come down to Haraka and have fun, experience what I'm experiencing now, because Haraka is more or less like another paradise on earth. So here we are. You can see from the look of things, this is the best place for you to be. Yeah. Today I want to appreciate and thank those that God has really used to make this trip possible. Number one, I want to thank the Almighty God for making it possible for me to be able to embark on this trip. I want to thank my dearest wife, that's Hajia Fatima Odufuye, for believing in me and for supporting me, also encouraging me that yes, you can do it. Yes, and with her encouragement, that is what brought up because when I first mentioned it to her, she said, wow, it's interesting, you can do it. I said, will I be able? She said, yes, you can. So here we are today. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Your first fans in life will definitely be your family. I want to thank all my family, both home and abroad. Every one of you that has been there for me, watching my video, sharing my video. I don't know where to start from. Is it from Uncle Duro Wahid Odufuye, Uncle Lemi Haruna Odufuye, Brother Titilayo Abujade, Brother Ganil Abujade, Uncle Jimson Olufuye, Alhaja Sherifat Olatubosun. Yeah, that's Auntie Tubosun. I fondly call her, we fondly call her Auntie Tubosun. Uncle Tonto, Alaja Magodo, my dearest cousins as well in the USA. I have Belekis and the husband Wahid Gadono, Abiola, and Phyllis Suya Boyega. I thank you all for being there, for supporting me. I really appreciate your support so much. And my dearest brother as well, that's Gafar, yes, Femi Odufuye. Thank you very much for your love and support. Yes, I also have the Sonny family, where I have Olariwaju Sonny, Ganil Sonny, Oladele Sonny. Every one of you, I can't, in fact, if I don't mention your name, please don't be annoyed. I know you know yourselves, those of you that have always been following me on Facebook, Instagram, on my YouTube channel. I thank you all very much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Kazim, the one in the UK, Kazim Sonny, I really appreciate you. And now, not forgetting my mother, Mrs. Grace Adenike Ogunbambo. Yeah, she has been so wonderful to me. She has been there for me all the time, and she so much believes in me, and her support and care and encouragement led to what is happening now. Without God, without her, I don't think this trip will be possible. Mommy, I thank you very much, and I pray that God in his infinite mercy will keep you more for us, in the mighty name of God. Not forgetting my cousins in the UK as well, Sister Hade, Shola, Brother Tetede, Sister Hayo, all of you in the UK, I appreciate you all. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you guys soon. Mrs. Balogun has been so wonderful to me. Yeah, she has been so supportive, so caring, and so loving mother as well. Then Mrs. Bolarinwa, that's another mother that I have, Mrs. Bolarinwa. Yes, if you are watching this, I want you to know that I really care for you. I appreciate all what you have done for me, and know me without you. So I appreciate that, even though there are a lot of things going on, but I still appreciate you, and I pray that God will continue to keep you for us and keep us as well. I also appreciate my mother. Again, you know, I have different mothers. This one happens to be in person of my boss at work, which is in person of Mrs. Gloria Hayegusi. She has been so wonderful to me. Honestly, I really don't know what to say. Mommy, I thank you very much. Without you, you've always been there to support my program morally, even financially. Mommy, I thank you very much. Right from the onset I stepped into St. Gloria School, you said you will always support me. Whatever I know that I can do, that I should just continue, that you will always give me the full support. And that you have been doing from the onset. Mommy, I really thank you, and I appreciate you for all you have done for me. God will continue to bless you and prosper you in all your endeavor, and God will uphold your family in its entirety. Thank you very much, Mommy. I really appreciate you, and I love you so much. My Oga at the top, that's Mr. Fred Agbedon. Mr. Fred Agbedon. Anyway, I really don't have much to say. That's the head of the school in St. Gloria School. He has always been there. He's been like a father, you know, a mentor and a role model. Oga, thank you very much. I know you will just be smiling watching this because he's a very quiet person and he doesn't like any exposure, but I have no choice than to mention your name. So then my colleagues, everyone at St. Gloria School, and the students, I love you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. The parents, wow, lovely parents, wonderful parents. I appreciate each and every one of you. I pray that God will give you the honor to eat the fruit of your labor. So I appreciate Mrs. Odushola, Stephen Odushola, for her support, and she did so wonderfully well. Mrs. Engineer and Mrs. Fesobi Tomiwa, yes, Engineer and Mrs. Tomiwa Fesobi, I really appreciate you. You've been so supportive from the onset. I started this program. You have always been there, and you've been supporting me from the onset. I thank you very much for being there. And yeah, Mrs. Yaniwura, she has always been on my Facebook, YouTube, and she watches all my videos. I thank you very much. She shares, she likes, and you know, she believes so much in Arenga TV. Thank you very much, madam. I really appreciate you. And Mrs. Ayodeji, I thank you very much. May the good Lord continue to be with you. Anyone that I've not mentioned his or her name, I want you to know that yes, it's not intentional. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you, because I'm just doing this. It's raw video. I'm doing it offhand. I'm not looking at anything. I didn't write the names in any order. I didn't mention these names in any order. I just feel like, no, I should, you know, appreciate God and appreciate you people for, you know, bringing me to where I am now. Because if not for God and you people, I don't think this trip would be possible. So thank you very much. And for those of you, my viewers, that you are watching me, it has not been easy. Honestly, it has not been easy. I wrote to many companies, but well, I discovered that, you know, when you are nothing and nobody has heard of you, people don't celebrate you, they don't appreciate you. And when you don't know anybody, nobody will be there to assist you or to support you. No company wants to bring you up, even if you have a good project. I even sent letter to ECOWAS, blah blah blah, and proposal here and there, but even we didn't even get a reply that, okay, to acknowledge that, oh, they received the letter, in which we discovered that the letter got there because it was sent through a courier company. So it's so unfortunate. and that is why I need to appreciate my family. If not for my family, they all rally around me, support me with money, with gears that I will be using to shoot. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of you. And those of you that are watching, if you want to support me, you can go on my GoFundMe, What It Is About Africa. You will see it there. You can donate to the movement of African Tour Vlogs. Donate to the movement of African Tour Vlog on GoFundMe, wherever you are across the world. Just support me, and if there's anything else you want me to bring to your screen, let me know. Comment down below whatever you want to see on this trip here in Badagry. I'm going to be in Badagry for another 1 week and maybe 2 or 3 days. So just make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want me to improve on, because this is my first time of vlogging. I've not done it before. This is my first time. I've been shooting, doing this video here and there, but I've never vlogged. This is my first time, and I want to believe and hope that you all will enjoy it. Am I doing very well? Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know your opinion about it. So, and all the YouTubers that I used to network with them, I still network with them. And if you have not been seeing me, it's because of the network around me. It's not friendly at all. You can see the sea and very close to the border, so the network gets mixed up. So please make sure you stay with me, share my videos, support me more. Don't just watch and keep. Please share my video. I wish to go around all the West African countries before coming back home, but I doubt if I'll be able to do that because of financial constraints. So, and thank God to some people, like where I am now, is being sponsored, because I'm here with my team, and we have been given free accommodation and all the rest. So that's why I said thank you to Alhaji Hamusu for being there for us. That's the director and the chairman, president of Haraka Beach and Holiday Resort. I thank you so much. May God continue to be with you, sir. Thank you, and God bless.